Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another Adobe After Effects CS6 tutorial for the new Boston. My name is Buddy Blackford. Today we're going to be talking about scale. And I saw in the comments on some of the other videos you guys are wondering where Bucky is. You're wondering if he's alive. Well, I can assure you that he is. We just took a picture the other day. I'll pull it up so you guys can see. And we were just out having a cookout, grilling steaks, grilling chicken, and just decided to take this picture of us. That's me in the front, and that's Bucky over here, and this face right here. Pure enjoyment. Wow, he's so happy. Well, now that you guys know he's alive, we can rest easy and start getting on with our next tutorial. So let me show you guys how to do a couple tricks of scaling. And first off, an easy way to scale is by these handles right here. Just like in almost any program, you can use these handles to scale. And usually you want to take one of the corners, because you can go anywhere with a corner. If you hold shift after you've already dragged, it'll stay proportionate. Most of the time you don't want to squish things, so try to stay proportionate for most of the things. A client doesn't usually like it when you disproportionately scale their logo or something that they created. So another way to scale is in the transformation menus down here. So you press S on the keyboard to get to the scale menu. We can type in different values and it'll scale according to the percentage that you put in. Same with you can click and drag. Same with the opacity and position. You can click and drag, and if you hold shift, it'll go fast. Both of the X and Y scales are currently linked, so when you move one, it moves with another. Now the way you can get it to not do that is clicking on this little chain right here. That breaks the link, and now you can scale each coordinate individually. A trick that I learned with scaling is that you can invert or flip your image. So if you want to flip over the y-axis, come over here onto the X and hit -100, and it'll flip it the other way. Then you can go ahead and link it again, and now you can scale them facing this way. Now if you would like to flip that back, you just change that back to regular 100, and then so you can see now if you click on your layer and have it selected and you hold Control Alt and you press F, I gotta click on it, Control Alt F, it will fit the image to the comp. So I can undo it, and it says undo fit to comp. So that is what that is called when you hold Control Alt and press F. On the Mac, Command instead of Control. Pretty much anytime I say Control, I'm using the Windows version, and that's almost the only thing that's different between a Mac and a Windows is instead of pressing Control, you're going to press Command. So if you have a if you have a Mac computer, when I say Control, just think of the Command button.